Oh, I kicked the camera? Shit. Let's pop in Vliggity Vleezel. Some of days I edit the vlog on I watch right now. Yes, I did vlog one I watch right now. I was invited to the Dragon Domino World Championships. Now initially I was not going to vlog for the simple reason of the music being too loud. But as you can see, I decided to cater to you guys and provide some vlog footage. Now it was a launch for the tournament, I think, but I was playing in a celebrity charity domino section. The celebrities that were there, you have Political Minister Olivia Babsy Grange, Beanie Man, Shano, Lance, Arf Cooper, myself. Yeah, I think that was it. And just for being there, our respective charities, they got $25,000 donated to them. So whichever charity we choose, them get $25,000 off the bat just for us being there. And if you win the tournament, the charity tournament, your charity get an extra $100,000. Never win. Sorry, my charity. Next year. Anyways, the night began.
So we don't turn the further delay, we're gonna lock down the winner, Bishop. And you want that to it.
I know so when I played, I know you have a whole lot of vibes, not true? In my cup right here was liquid vibes. Yeah. Drink responsibly.
Hey! Over there, sir. Alright.
She have to do the presentation. No, it's never make him start.
After man vibes up and thing, I was strapped up with a GoPro.
So DJ,
capture some of the footage. I think it will be uploaded to Dragon Store JA Instagram page. So you can go check it out. Of course, you have to over 18 for, you know, pull up to the Dragon page and know that thing they go. Now, I did supposed to have a partner. I put it on my Insta story to try to get a partner, never get done. So when I reach the tournament, I got a partner. Somebody will actually know Domino because all me do a match.
Alright, yeah!
Thinking that would have helped my situation. It didn't. These two lovely ladies, they whooped us. But no sap never go on. No straight 6 never go on. One at a time, I think it was 4-6. And then the second round, after we beat Beanie Man them in a 1-game semi-final, we go back to play the same ladies again, and it was 3-6, I think. See some footage of one of the games that we won.
They win one. So the ladies are not pressure and they look like it's too crazy right now.
Look how we are.
Look how we start. Hey! Beanie Man and Lance in the 1-1 now. That's draw back some blood. It's all about Dragon, ladies and gentlemen, remember the bar! Yeah, don't stay far! Look at the general Chukina, Brianna, Lady Corina, Joanna, Maria, the whole family, Jimmy, Shaw!
Right, you know, so make a 6 number jump around the place, though.
Yeah, long time!
Yeah, we see one.
Alright, Bishop! You see anybody drop a 6 love right now from anyone I table there?
Yeah.
I can tell you. Let's give them something, huh?
Yeah,
let's give them something.
But we have
yeah, fill up here, yeah. Anybody, any table will drop 6 love right now.
Right now.
Let's make some nice.
Where is the footage of the women whooping us? We had some technical difficulties with the camera, so I'm afraid we will not be able to hear. That footage will not see the light of day. Floyd was the MC, the man Shelly, you know what I mean? I think one of the best MC in Jamaica right now. Floyd.
Time for some run go man to go there, go do a show half hour now, you know? Well, you know, you had about 60 over and a 50 zone. So now, so then officer, me can't talk him, say, yeah, what you want me to do? So I start squatting, big man thing, things rough, me not beg your chance now. You don't know what the squad do. Go back to the car, take out the pen and the ticket book and start right. So I'm talking to squad, me, you know, just negotiate more chance. Him start write the ticket. But if you don't have a ticket, so me have a people. Me don't know how you do it, Selena, but me try to fight tight pants, you know. Me somebody beside you and your pants are squeeze me and you have it on. jeans. I want that. Huggies. Dragon, come take me off my stage. Who want to go home? I'm a general.
Of course, we have dancers.
Yes, you love up your mouth a while ago like my shoes. We're ready.
All in all, it was a good charity tournament. Very good charity tournament, you know what I mean? Shout out to Dragonstone, Jamaica for inviting me to play the games. Hopefully my domino skills are better for next year or the next time, and we can go in and win and not get beat up. Anyways, I'm gonna do some Insta stories, so yeah, follow me on the gram. That's one thing. Follow me on the gram. And I can just end the vlog with the Insta story them, see? So flex up on the shelf, big up on the shelf. Little boy! Oh yeah, I wear the same clothes from the last vlog. I saw me living up, get up and put on the same thing every day until a time for it wash. Maybe 3 or 4 weeks before I wash, you know the thing go.
Let me make it clear. Who will lose? If I win, no problem. Three, so one here. Hurry up, 1, 2 more, quick. Time ago. She did answer. She did ask if you're gone already. I'm not going to know you're still there. No, I thought you had it. No worries, you can still go in the house. All them have to do is put you through the grave. Give a round of applause to me, please. They're up to level about. Every day you see them at home, them are rub half an hour gloves. Nice grown. Hey! Let's go bar. Let's go. Ready? What about the morning doing the sunset? Turn around! I'll get this! Hey! What I want to do? What on there? What on there? What on there?